Switchblades.tv presents
available at assistedknife.com.
Roadsideimports.com presents
Reviews by Adrian! Yeah!
I'm going to be doing a review on JB from Roadsideimports Custom Brass Balisong. It was hand ground by Harvey, and it's made of all brass and S30v stainless steel. Valhalla Cutlery. And the first thing that I noticed about this Balisong is it's really thick and really heavy. And also it came manila, which means the latch is on the safe handle. But I switched that around because I'm used to the Batangas. So, you know, not a big deal. He made it reversible. And this knife is not for beginners if you're a flipper. It is extremely heavy and it is extremely sharp and it's got a killer point. You will understand what they mean whenever they say razor sharp whenever you feel the edge of this knife. It is incredibly sharp. You could shave with it. And the reason that I actually got this knife is because it is the way that the classic original Balisongs were made. If you know anything about the Balisong knife, it was actually invented in France in the 1700s. And they made the knife's handles out of brass because they don't spark. That way they wouldn't spark the cannons. You know, you don't want one of those going off. So, just for collective purposes. But then I saw that edge and how sturdy it was and how quality built it is. And this really could be a utility knife. You know, it's really sharp. If you should ever need to cut something, or even somebody, if you ever come across a situation where you need to. Excellent knife. French styling, American innovation. 2 thumbs up. And I'm going to do a little bit of flipping here in a minute, just so you can see how it handles. And that's about it on my review. Here's an aerial. Here's a standard opening. Here's a standard horizontal opening. Here's a twirl. Here it is, a full twirl. Here is a crossover. Here is a Y2K rollover. Here is a Zen rollover. Here is a helix. Here is a back twirl. Here is a standard reverse opening. Here is a latch drop, which is actually extremely smooth because of the weight. I love the way it flies open, and that is just about all one of the really staple basic tricks on a Balisong. If you don't have one of these, get one. They've got them in nickel, bronze, brass. He's going to have some titanium ones soon. It's all basically the same knife with different intricate little markings on them. And he also has some new copper ones. Check those out. Those are really nice. And they've got a bushing system too. So, they're all really nice knives. I definitely recommend you getting one. They are heavier, which makes them a really good tool, but they don't make bad flippers if you want a heavier one for finger strength. That concludes my review. Highly recommend it. Fantastic knife. Great job, JB. Roadside Imports, JB's Custom Balisong. Happy holidays, everybody.
Available at assistedlife.com.
Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com